Mongoose Nightly News presents a Jellyfish Patrol update. Jellyfish Patrol was out along the Gulf Coast in search of some jellyfish when they came across a loggerhead turtle. The loggerhead turtle was deceased and its stomach did not contain any food. For those of you that are unaware, one of the food sources for these loggerhead turtles are a man-of-war jellyfish. With the stomach yielding no contents, there was no jellyfish to be harvested from this corpse. Shortly after finding the deceased loggerhead turtle, Jellyfish Patrol proceeded in contacting Turtle Patrol to assist with the burial of the deceased loggerhead turtle.
The eyes of an angel. Na, na, na.
After finishing with the burial of the loggerhead turtle, Jellyfish Patrol continued on their search. They came across multiple jellyfish. Once they came across the jellyfish, they would collect the sample and proceed to testing the sample. Jellyfish Patrol then weighed out the collected jellyfish and recorded within their notes. Once Jellyfish Patrol was finished weighing out the jellyfish, they proceeded to collect samples from that jellyfish by cutting pieces from their polyp. Once the pieces of jellyfish were collected to store the samples, they were stored in ethanol. We would submerge the pieces in ethanol to help preserve the sample before testing in a lab. Jellyfish Patrol also came across a man-of-war jellyfish, which is one of the food sources for the loggerhead turtle. The Jellyfish Patrol proceeded into preserving the sample using the ethanol as they did to the previous sample. After the samples were collected, Jellyfish Patrol proceeded into the lab. Within the lab, the samples had to be digested with nitric acid. After applying the nitric acid to the samples, you can see the digestion process occurring in 3, 2, 1. On the left side, you can see how the digestion has already taken place with the accumulation of fumes from the digestion process. Once the specimen is digested, it will then go to our instrument for analysis. Once digested, the Jellyfish Patrol utilized the AA machine to test the accumulation of various heavy metals. As you can see, the AA machine is hard at work for Jellyfish Patrol to find the concentration of these toxins to report back to the public. The results yielded from this machine will help provide a better understanding of these toxins in the jellyfish. Jellyfish Patrol can then continue on the cycle to help understand the accumulation of these toxins.